CME XRP futures go live today. Today is supposed to be the day we get a nice rally. How will the price react to these futures? We're going to jump into that. I also have a very, very important update on the XRP live chart, guys. Trust me, you're going to want to check this out. If that's something you're interested in, smash that like button, that bell notification, subscribe if you feel like, and let's jump straight into this article. As you can see, the top says CME XRP futures go live today. How will the price react? Let's jump straight into it. Chicago-based derivatives giant, the biggest one on the planet, CME Group, is on track to launch XRP futures later today. As reported by You Today, the world's largest derivatives exchange urged XRP holders to mark their calendars last week. The product was officially announced in late April, following months of speculation. Now, right now, the price is down 3.5% ahead of the launch. No surprise there. The token is currently changing hands at $2.31. It remains to be seen how the launch of CME futures will affect the price. So honestly, guys, it should boost us. It should give us 100%. Be honest with you, that would be the real world. However, this is XRP. We live in a manipulative world of crypto, so it is no telling what the hell is going to happen today. Today is a day where we just sit back, wait, and watch. So it also says here, when CME launched regulated Bitcoin futures back in 2018, it marked the top of a major bull market cycle. So we need to keep an eye on that. Could the futures mark XRP's top? My opinion, not even close. I promise you, we are not topping out at $2.60. I'm sorry. We're due to go a lot further than that. And if we do not, that is a clear sign to even the dumbest investor on the planet that this is completely controlled and manipulated. So, with all that being said, guys, we don't know how the price is going to react. Like I said, I am going to be watching this all day long. So I will keep you guys updated. I would like to go ahead and jump straight into the chart. I have a very important update. Okay, guys, now that I got the chart pulled up, I'm on the daily. As you guys can see, this is the weekly falling wedge we've been in. We got a break out of it, came back, and now we are retesting the $2.30 resistance or support that was once resistance. Now you see how we come out. We started forming a bull pennant. However, we got a breakdown below it, got to bounce right off of 230, around 230, 231. And now, right now, we are retesting it again. What we need to do is get back up in this pennant. Now, the emergency update is this. This will determine whether we get in or not. Now, the problem we're having here, guys, is this right here. And it does not look good. If we break this line right here, we have an 80% chance. All right, there's the neckline to the top. Okay, here we go. Oh, man. Once again, it looks like we are coming back down to retest this falling wedge pattern. As you guys can see, the measuring stick from the pattern price target from this bearish head and shoulders pattern, it brings us right on the top of this falling wedge. Hopefully that is just a retest. I got a good feeling it will be. However, if that happens, it looks as if right here you would have a left shoulder. This could be a head, and if we go to form another one, that could significantly put us all the way back down into the falling wedge and bouncing off of this support line, which seems very unlikely, but would be terrible if that happened with the current situation. There's a lot of hype, a lot of news, a lot of good catalyst. If we drop all the way back down to 160, I got a feeling that there's a lot of people that isn't going to buy back in because it's too manipulated, man. Everything is just too it's not making sense. A lot of things that I see, and I've been in crypto for about 7 years, and a lot of what's going on with XRP, especially this year, I just don't understand why the prices react in certain ways, like it is being completely controlled by a single entity or person or group. So it's hard to determine what's going to happen here. All I can do is go into the chart, guys, and the chart doesn't lie. So that is why I go by the chart most of the time. So we're going to keep an eye on this. And I will be making another video at 8 o'clock p.m. like I do every night for you guys. If something happens before then and there's an emergency, I will be making a video before then. So hit that bell notification so you know exactly when that happens. If you stay with me to the end, I really appreciate it. And check out my latest stuff on the left. Subscribe on the right if you haven't already. And until tonight, guys, take care of yourself and each other.